Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you the smallest IKEA MegaMan CFL I think I've ever seen. Yep, that's a thing. I suppose this would be inside of a candle style CFL, but this is standalone, all by itself. IKEA, made by MegaMan, a very high quality brand. This is 4 watts, not sure how bright it would be an equivalent to, maybe like a 20 watt bulb or something. But yeah, look at how small this is. You can see the tube can be mounted even further down, so you have a space for it there. It's got our little candelabra base. What a cute little thing. I saw this at the Restore, had to pick it up, because I have not seen one of these this small that doesn't have a globe or something over it. So of course, let's put it into our socket and turn it on. There we go. Very, very cool. Now I am a big fan of these older IKEA MegaMan CFLs. They are such high quality, and look at this thing. It's already at full brightness. But just look at the design of it too. So simple. So cool. It's not a spiral. Before then, there it is, lighting up an area. It's instantly on. It's already at full brightness. Very cool, high quality CFLs. Good thing IKEA partnered with them to make these bulbs for them, because you don't see much for MegaMan stuff here in America. Yes, a very cool CFL. It is not very hot. It's warm, but yeah, it lights up the area quite well. I don't really know what else to say about it, other than it's so cute because it's so small. Yeah, look at that thing. That's pretty unique. See, this is the kind of stuff that you just don't see anymore. LEDs taking over everything. These are very short-lived, so very hard to find CFL, because I've never seen one like it. Anyway, I really do hope you enjoyed this video of this unique 4-watt IKEA MegaMan CFL bulb. Also, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.